When you're on a trip, clean clothes are great. Not always possible though. But what if you had a portable washing machine? As handy as your phone, Washwow can clean and disinfect your clothes without any detergents.
Here's his ancient Chinese secret, Calgon.
To do the laundry, you need some clean water, power supplied, and the dirty clothes, of course. This is a very old stain, and now a new stain.
Thank goodness.
Add as much water as possible to make sure it covers your laundry. Plug it up and set the time. Voila! This stain is so old and stubborn, and even Washwow couldn't help. But the newest stain has disappeared. And the washed clothes.
It smells like chlorine.
Ew. Actually, it's all chemistry. The machine triggers electrolysis, which does the job, from stain removal to deodorization. The hypochlorous acid sterilizes the clothes, which explains the swimming pool smell on the washed laundry.
Savings in hot water, detergents, electricity, time, and on clothes bills too.
And it's super quiet, so you can wash your clothes at midnight. It weighs so much as a football and is the size of a soap bar, which makes it super portable as well. However, the device would be much more convenient if it could work with the portable battery, so you can wash your clothes literally anywhere. Maybe get myself squeaky clean too.